Imagine you're in the middle of a job and your impact driver bit just spins and strips the screw. It's an all too common scenario, but knowing the right bit can prevent this headache. From Phillips to Torx, each bit has its purpose, and choosing the right one is crucial for any contractor. Let's start with Phillips bits, the most recognized and commonly used bit. They're ideal for general purpose use, especially in woodworking and light metal work. The cross-shaped design provides a good grip on screws, but it's also prone to cam out if too much torque is applied. This is why they're not always the best choice for high torque applications. For example, a DeWalt DW2166 set will run you about $20 and includes various sizes to help with different screw depths. Just be cautious when using them with high power impact drivers, as they can strip screws easily. Next, consider the Torx bits marked by their star-shaped design. Torx bits have 6 contact points with the screw head, providing a better grip and reducing the chance of slippage. They're perfect for automotive work and appliances, where a strong, reliable connection is crucial. Brands like Wiha and Bosch offer Torx bit sets, typically priced around $25. A common mistake is using the incorrect size, which can lead to damage. Always ensure you've got the right fit to avoid unnecessary wear on both the bit and the screw. Now, let's discuss square drive bits, also known as Robertson bits. These bits are favored in the construction industry because their square shape helps prevent cam out, making them ideal for decking and cabinetry. Irwin's square drive bit set at about $15 is a reliable choice. One pitfall with square drive bits is using them with screws that aren't made for them, which can lead to stripping and inefficiency. Make sure your screws match your bits for the best results. On to hex bits, which are indispensable in furniture assembly and certain automotive tasks. Their hexagonal shape fits snugly into hex socket screws, providing excellent torque transfer. A Bondhus hex bit set costing roughly $18 offers multiple sizes for various applications. However, a common error is using worn bits, which can slip and damage the screw head. Regularly inspect your hex bits to ensure they maintain their sharp edges. But here's the one most guys overlook. The Pozidriv bit, often mistaken for a Phillips. The Pozidriv offers additional ribs between the cross slots, providing better torque and less cam out. It's particularly useful in electrical work and European products. A Wera Pozidriv set is priced around $30. The key mistake is using a Phillips bit in a Pozidriv screw, which results in unnecessary slippage and damage. Using the correct bit ensures optimal performance and efficiency. Security bits are another category worth noting. These bits are essential for tamper-proof screws found in public installations and security equipment. Security Torx and security hex bits are common with sets from NACO or Klein tools priced around $25. The mistake to avoid here is using them for standard screws, as their unique design can make them less effective for non-security applications. Always match the bit to the screw to avoid damage. Finally, let's talk about nut drivers, essentially socket heads on a screwdriver shaft. They're perfect for hex nuts and bolts, often used in HVAC and plumbing work. Klein Tools offers a 7-piece nut driver set for about $40. A frequent oversight is using the wrong size, which can lead to rounding off the edges of nuts and bolts. Always double check the size to ensure a secure fit and effective torque application. For your everyday needs, a few key bits will cover most bases. For general construction, a set of Phillips and square drive bits from DeWalt at $20 is a solid start. If you're doing automotive or appliance work, investing in a Torx and hex bit set from Bosch or Bondhus for around $25 is wise. For anything involving tamper-proof installations, a security bit set is essential, with NACO offering a comprehensive range for $25. Remember, the right bit not only gets the job done, but does it efficiently and safely, saving both time and frustration. We stock all these impact driver bits at punchlistssupply.com. Link in the description. Hit subscribe for more insights on tools that get the job done right.